Sorry, Benis. Makaturog ni Jayron. Man papahats-pata ni Benis. Final training at Bintat. Bye. Rating cucumber juice by Venice. 3. 100 is the highest. Awan naman na.
Ala?
Sino ta kainumen? Rate, Clarice, rating. Rate mama, Venice. Let us ask Venice for the rating of her cucumber juice. Rate mo, teta cucumber.
It's 100.
Nagdagsungkam siya pagpagat ang kapat.
Hala!
Talukam lang ka na.
Hala!
Naka-video ka!
Hala! Venice, i-interview ka manin. Ano tamagi ko? Di ba na-i-share ni mamam? Hello, mama. Ako na. Ay! Ala! Hello, mama ko na.
Hello, ma! Sana next time wag mo na akong itag.
Lakit proud na. Kinga.
Proud nga pero sinabing makulit.
Lakit mo kulit kami. Dito eh. Hi, Joshi!
Hi, ma'am.
Alamat message mo ka di kita ikalaban nyo.
Good luck to them. I'm so very sporty, that's why chill lang. Good luck na lang sa inyo, guys. Yeah. Tatalunin namin ka.
Nag-proud da. Yes. Ag.
Thank you da kanya mang kasi pangabak.
Ala. Minanifest. Ano dito? Adag parada? Parada na?
Hi, sorry. Let me just take a picture of. We're gonna take a picture of you. Oh shit!
Yeah, I see that.
Uy, papaling nga pang model. Kilig-kiligan. Ma'am, kilig na kilig, ma'am.
Sa video, say hi.
Hi.
We're archers, of course.
We're archers, of course. Ilaban ni Kinang ng Kitke.
Ang ganda ni Ana.
Paano? Pakitang. Okay, sorry.
Traumatized na Kinyaw.
May Sayang! Isang sa paring.
Bines. Vinis, what do you say sa mga arrows na hindi mo napapasok sa back? Kenchana! No.
May panira sa likod. May panira sa likod. Oh. Eh. Hi.
Kenchana!
Uy, nagmayat di dyan. Na-zoom in ko sa mukha mo. Oh, ano yun? Hi, Ate Clarice. Ate Clarice. Ate Clarice. Ate Clarice. Ate Clarice.
Video ka.
Hey.
Mali mo!
Last naman kay Juan. Ano aras mo? Ay, gurguru. Go!
Duwada ka taga ko. A. Archer. B. Ay, puso! A. Archer. B. Puso. C. Archer. Or D. Archer.
Ala!
Wala, sinutak ko.
Archer mo. They archers. Of course, target nila ang mga oldies.
Camera, nagkamera kayo? Dito kang card. Kasi awanti ko dito camera. Sorry. 10, 7, 7, 6,
We're
4,
archers. Of course. Wala lang target kang tigwapo.
Shut up.
We're archers. Of course, crush namin ang co-archers.
Of course, we're archers.
Nonchalant. Okay, next.
Of course, we're archers. Palaging may nasusungit.
Of course, we're archers. Dapat may singkit sa grupo.
Chinese.
Nino. We're archers, of course. We're archers.
Our course ba naman?
We love
Of course,
small
we're
people.
archers. We don't hit that face. Ha? Ano daw?
Of course.
Hindi ka mo yung bagbagay. We're archers.
Of course.
That's the end of the video.
We're archers.
We're negros.
Kiss ka?
Hey.
Care.
Hey, that's my nigga.
Yo.
Of course, marami kaming naminis.
Of course, we're archers. We're black. We're black. Uy. Hey. What the heck? Venice. We're archers.
Where are archers of course. Of course, nagpupugot kami.
We're archers. Of course, magaling kami mag-majorette. You wanna see this off?
Hey, say hi. Say hi. Say hi to Mom Sheila's vlog. Ada majorette.
Ma'am, may matutay size ko.
Ouch.
Ano nan?
Katan.
Apit arus ko kayo.
Sa likod.
He's gay.
Mister.
Mom, help. Help. Out. We're archers.
Of course! Awan lang. Naisit kami.
Marami kaming keychain.
Mom, we're archers. Mom, we're archers. Mom, we're archers.
We're archers.
Mom, we're archers.
Ah.
Ala, ba't mo kasi pinay?
Kurang.
Okay, let's do a
May isa?
static shot na lang.
Ito naman, EJ. Na-shot, EJ?
No. They are smoothing the... Oh my god, no! They are smoothing the ground. Cause the ground is kind of rough. Yeah. Oh yeah, we are at the battlefield.
Okay, ayon kan pa kadamam ditan eh.
Slay.
Paano kay Bitag? Paano kay Bihit? Dali. Tap naman, lagi tayo. Anak, sala ka. Ala. Talag, malagip tayo. Kuya, i-video man sango. Tap naman, malagip tayo. Sango na chocolate.
Ano kung nag-fitness na camera mo?
Sir iPhone.
Ha? Sana all.
Awan 5:30. 25. Mati we're archers.
We're archers, of course. Here we are again.
Mom, we're archers. Mom, we're archers. Back up.
Bag.
Why can't you for once disregard the world and run? It's real. Hi, Venice! Apo, nag-splurge na po, Lord. Cheat day ka, no. Day before R1A. Cheat day.